And welcome to SapphireOne. This is the introduction of the 8 modes of SapphireOne. With SapphireOne, we have 8 distinctive modes. So the magic 8. We have accounts mode, we have inventory mode, we have job projects mode, assets, payroll, management, utilities, workbook. Each one of those modes were presented with the various drop-downs, menus within that mode. So here we have receivables, we have payables, we have general ledger. So 3 distinct modes within the accounts mode. And then within each one of those drop-downs, menus, we have data entry, inquiry, processing, reporting. If we now go back to the next mode, which is inventory mode, we're presented with sales, data entry, inquiry, processing, reporting. We're presented with purchases, inventory, manager, point of sale. If we then go over to the job projects mode, we have our costs, we have our resources, we have our inventory, and then the last item is the job projects within the job projects mode. We come down to assets. We have the asset register with the asset inquiry. We have transactions. We have the reports. We have history. And then we come down to our payroll, HR. We have all our payroll. We have reports. We have the administration and the history. And then we come down to number 6, our management mode. Under management mode, we have analysis, we have management, we have audits. And then we come down to our utilities mode. In utilities mode, we have our history, we have our controls, we have our utilities, and then we come down to the last mode, which is our workbook mode. And we have our general, and then we have the modes that we can set up our own drop downs. These are the introductions to the 8 modes of SapphireOne. Just recapping: accounts mode, number 1, inventory mode, job projects, assets, payroll, management, utilities, and workbook. Each one of these modes can be accessed using the F keys. So if we want to go to the accounts mode, we simply use F1. Inventory mode is F2. Job projects mode is F3. Assets F4, payroll HR F5, management F6, utilities F7, and workbook F8. That's the introduction to the SapphireOne modes. Thank you for watching.